Welcome, South Carolinians, and anyone else watching this video. We're about to explore the town of Belton, South Carolina today. Belton is a town outside of Anderson. It's also in Anderson County, and it was naturally the next, well, on my map also, it was the next place to go after visiting Anderson. So we're going to Belton. First off, I guess we're in town limits. I think there's like a sign on the side of the road that said I was, and that's why I started filming here. But let's talk about um, the channel. Please subscribe if you have not. I get like 30 views in a day on one of these new dash cam drive-throughs, and I look at analytics, and there'll be like three of you are subscribed. So it'd really be kind of cool if the other 27 of you would hit the subscribe button. I assume you're probably all the same 27 people, or same 30 people. Could be different, I guess. But as time goes on, of course, the numbers go up on the videos. But in one day, they all are averaging about 30. So, just saying, it'd be cool if you subscribed. Anyway, we're about to enter into, well, we already are in Belton, but we're about to get into the main downtown part. And that was like a local hardware store to the left, which is always cool to see. The small businesses in towns like Belton. And while we're on our way to Belton, let me pull up their town website and kind of tell y'all about it a little bit. So, I'm just going to quote basically what the website says. Maybe not quote it exactly, but give you a good reference of it, if nothing else. Belton is a railroad town, so the railroad came through in about 1855, and the town developed all around it. You'll see more about that in the downtown area. It says that it's close enough to Greenville to have a city connection, but far enough away that it can retain its small town vibe. It is 30 minutes from Greenville, and there's about 4,000 people, or 4,400 it says, people living in Belton. And they are particularly happy or proud of their Standpipe. And it states on the website that is the town symbol, and it's part of the Old South charm. This is a 155-foot tall concrete reinforced water tank with a capacity of 165,000 gallons. It's built in 1909 and has the appearance of a medieval castle tower. There's only 3 in South Carolina remaining, and this is the tallest. That is basically a direct quote of their website, cityofbeltonsc.com. And guys, let me tell you this, it really surprised me. They have a Standpipe festival. And I'm going to Google that and see what I can find out about that, because that is one of the, if not the most surprising things I've ever heard. Each town most times has their own kind of festival. There it is to the left. You see it standing there? That's pretty cool. Actually, it's really cool. There's a mural in that building there too, but there is the Standpipe, and it is pretty tall. And here's the town square right in front of me now. And some people are actually to the left taking wedding photos. I thought that was interesting to look at or see. And I think they were at the train depot doing that. There's the town square, definitely built for the railroad. As you see, the road does not go right through it. There's a parking lot, and then like one of these buildings was removed for the road. It was definitely built for the railroad. There's a Rosa's Express in a older building. So, Standpipe, according to UpCountrySC.com, features local and regional entertainers with live on-stage acts, unique arts and crafts from all over the United States, local food venues, and more. So basically, it's a regular town fair, whatever festival, and it just chooses to honor the standpipe. What a unique thing to do. Or at least I think it's a very unique thing to do. But we are quickly leaving the town of Belton, going through, I guess, the last little bit of houses. And as of right now, that is the last video that I have filmed. So if anyone has a special request of a town I have not done yet, besides subscribing, the next thing I would ask is, hey, send me a suggestion. If you want to see me go to Hampton, tell me. Rock Hill, tell me. York, tell me. Union, tell me. Nichols, tell me. Darlington, tell me. Anywhere in South Carolina, tell me. Thank you.